Hi everyone, welcome back to WP Solutions. Today I'm gonna show you how you can increase the speed of your WordPress website using a free plugin. There are many plugins available, but I will recommend you which I use and which is mostly used in WordPress website. So most famous plugin is WP Rocket, but WP Rocket is not free. They have only pro version. So we will use a free plugin to increase the speed of our WordPress website. So before starting the video, just subscribe my channel and like this video so I can create more videos for you. So let's start. Go to plugins, click on add new. Now just search for WP Optimize. So this is the plugin we will use today. You can check the active installations for this plugin and the ratings. So before installing any plugin, just check three things: the active installations and the ratings, and just check this compatible with your version of WordPress. So now click on install now. After the installation, we will just activate the plugin and move further. So I don't have a WordPress website live to show you the speed of the website before and after using this plugin. So if you have a live website, you can first test the speed of your website and use this plugin, and then check the speed of your website after using this plugin and compare both the speeds, and you will check the difference that the speed of your WordPress website is increased. Now our plugin is installed. I will activate the plugin. After the activation, you will see WP Optimize here. Click on it. Now we are in database tab. So just scroll down and you just have to check the options without containing the warning message. There is a chance to lose some important data, so don't check these options and just go with these options available without any warning message. So if you don't want to run the optimization for a specific option, you can simply uncheck the option, and if you want to run the optimization for these options, you can simply check like this. So in this, it will just optimize the database tables, remove the extra data from the tables. It will clean the post revisions. It contains the revisions when you edit your WordPress website. It contains the revisions when you edit your posts and draft post, trash post, spam trash commands, etc. So you can optimize these options by simply clicking on run all selected optimization like this. It will optimize all the options. It will take a little bit time on database because it will optimize all the tables from the database. So I will show you the tables. So these are the tables in your database. You can refresh by clicking on this option. In settings, you can set the times after which your optimization will automatically run. So you can enable by just simply checking this option, and you can set weeks after you want to run the automatic optimization. So now we will wait for this optimization to be completed. As you can see, our optimization is complete now. Now I will move to next option, images. Click on it. First, you can check this option to automatically compress the newly added images like this. And if you want to set the custom size for your compressed images, you can simply drag this option like this, but it is recommended to select this option. So now just scroll down, and if you want to compress all the images, you can select all. If you want to compress the specific images, you can simply click on that image and click on compress the selected images. So I have already compressed all the images, but I will show you how you can compress the images. Just click on select all, click on compress the selected images. It will connect to Smesh API and automatically compress the images without losing the image quality. Images plays important role in the speed of website due to their size. So it is important always to compress the size of the images. So images are compressed successfully. Close this tab like this. Now we will move to next option. As you can see, this is available in premium variant. You can play with unused images and sizes. Lazy load option is also available in the premium variant, but we are okay with the free variant. We don't need to use these options. Now move to next option, cache. In cache you can enable page caching. Just check this option like this. You can purge cache by simply clicking on this option. If you want to generate the separate files for mobile devices, you can simply check this option. If you want to serve cached pages to logged in user, you can simply check this option like this. And if you want to set the hours for cache to be updated, you can change the time, and after that you just have to save changes. Now we will move to next tab in cache, which is preload. In preload, if you want to make ready the pages when the user or viewer in on one page of your website, the other pages will be already cached for the viewer or the customer. So it will improve the speed of your website. Just click on save changes. If you want to activate the scheduled cache preloading, you can set the time by enabling this option. Click on save changes and move to next tab. In advanced settings, if you don't want a page to be cached, you can simply put the URL of that page or URL of any section. After that, just click on save changes. You can check further settings according to your need. Now move to Gzip Comparison, which is very important and is available paid on many plugins, but in WP Optimize this option is free. You can enable this option if you want to just compress your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files. It will improve the speed of your website and decrease the size of your files. You can enable it by just simply clicking on enable. Now we will move to next option, Minify, in which you can minify the size of your files. Just click on enable Minify. You can select the files to be minified. So if you don't want to minify JS file, you can simply uncheck this file like this, and you don't have to click on save button. It will automatically save the changes. So these are the basic settings available in the WP Optimize to increase the speed of your WordPress website. You can check the speed of your website before and after using this plugin. If you have a live website, you can check the speed of your website in Google Page Insights. So this is today's video, and if you want me to create a video on specific topic or a plugin, you can ask me in comments. So before leaving this video, just subscribe my channel and like this video so I can create more videos for you. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.